Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the KOHLER Telling multifunction hand shower with this vibrant brushed nickel finish. So this one comes with the magnetic docking. And it also comes with a 5 spray setting. It's compatible with this. Easy to install. So by the way, I got this out of Costco for around like $35 plus tax. Regular price on this was like $50. Because our old shower head is getting old and nasty looking. Yeah, if you don't clean your shower head regularly, it's going to turn nasty. So I'm going to show you the one in the restroom. You're going to feel disgusted. But anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. So they give you like a little Teflon tape right here. And here's the instruction on how to install it. So yeah, you need to install this adapter. It's going to the shower piping. And this will allow you to turn. This one probably make it tighter. Yeah, tighter or loose it. And then the shower hose that goes in here. You could apply to the Teflon tape. Connect this to the pipe and also the thread over here if you need to add the Teflon tape. And right here is the hose. And this is the shower head. So you press here for the mode. Yeah. Hopefully calcium buildup not gonna mess up this button in the long run. I think that these are the universal. It doesn't matter which is which. I gotta install this first. wow, very strong. So yeah, let's go and then do the installation. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So yeah, this is the old shower head. Pretty disgusted. So basically the same thing. I'm gonna remove this first. And as you can see, it's molded. Yeah, some kind of black stuff if you don't clean it. Hopefully I can twist this off. Without need to. Revolver water. See this all the calcium buildup. I might want to dip this maybe in like a distilled white vinegar. See, all this buildup. And that what's the cost to mess up your water heater and all your piping and stuff. So now I'm gonna twist this one off. Well, I gotta use two hands. The other ones I gotta twist it. I forgot it's counterclockwise or clockwise, but let me see. Let me use two hands. So yeah, I gotta use two hands. One hand to hold this notch right here. The other one is to twist this clockwise. There you go. Now it's loosen it up. Now we're gonna remove this, and then we gotta remove this nozzle right here. That goes in here. There you go. I'm gonna put this one in here. Hopefully it's not gonna leak. You might want to hold your pipe in case your pipe is too loose. You don't want to break it out the wall. I'm gonna attach the hose here. And once you find a good position, you're gonna tie this right here, okay, with both hands. I'm going to use both of my hands to make a tight fit. Wow, look at that, very nice. Anyway, I'm going to turn on the water and then test out the different mode. Hopefully there's nothing gonna drip or leak. If it does, then you need to add the Teflon tape. What the? Wow. So I'm not sure if this is the off position or why it's so low. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm not sure why this one's so low. So that's supposed to be the 5th one. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's I'm not sure, not enough pressure to push the water out or what's going on. So yeah, because somebody's taking a shower right now. They shouldn't do that. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the videos. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any in the comments on below. And if this thing doesn't work, you could always return back to Costco. They are very good with that customer service. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.